coming up next on the J. Rouse Show.
It's Joe Wurzelberger. Joe the Plumber.
Joe the Plumber. Joe.
We're talking about Joe
In order.
the Plumber.
Joe the Plumber.
Joe the Plumber.
Okay, who the hell is Joe the Plumber? Who the hell is that?
Your conspiracy theorists to sit there and say I'm a plant, and how I can be a plant in my own front yard is beyond me. Other than that.
Oh, that's Joe. What's up, man? How you doing? Doing all right?
Senator Obama, I am not President Bush. If he wanted to run against President Bush, he should have run 4 years ago. I'm going to give a new direction.
Ooh, someone sounds a little testy. Kind of reminds me of this exchange. Remember this?
You know, it's going to be a long, long night at MSNBC if I manage to pull this thing off. For starters,
I obviously never knew your great-grandfather, but from everything that Senator McCain has told me, the two of them had a great time together before Prohibition, so...
That's what I'm talking about. More of this and less of that other stuff. And back by popular demand.
Let me ask you one question.
Oh, you asked me a question.
Okay. Are you anti-Semitic?
Not at all.
Okay.
Just don't like that guy. T.O.
Get your popcorn ready.
The J. Rouse Show starts now.
You never know. That's the point. Go.
So who the hell is Joe the Plumber? Oh my goodness. Welcome into another edition of the J. Rouse Show. And of course you can reach the show at the J. Rouse Show a lot. Oh my goodness. We have breaking news already? Oh my goodness. Breaking news right here on the J. Rouse Show. Oh, this is breaking news on Joe the Plumber. This just in on Joe the Plumber. Let's get the music. Cue the music. Cue the music. It's being reported, let me make sure I see this, that this just in, that Joe the Plumber, Joe is not the guy's real name. His real name is Samuel Joseph. So Joe is not his first name. Joe is his middle name. Okay, we can deal with that. So to recap, Joe the Plumber is really Samuel the Plumber. Well, hey, let's stop that. The guy can use his middle name if he wants to. Hell, but boy, Joe, you better get ready because it's once you step out there, your whole life will be an open book. Get ready, my friend. Get ready. So now this guy, Joe the Plumber, is a household name. And wait a minute, we have more breaking news? Oh my goodness. We have more breaking news on Joe the Plumber. This just in. Let me make sure yeah. Hey, cue the music. So now, not only did we just find out that Joe the Plumber is really Samuel Joe the Plumber, but now there are reports that Joe the Plumber is not really a licensed plumber. He's a guy that is apparently moonlighting under someone else's license. Oh, this is getting good. So to recap, just into the J. Rouse Show, Joe the Plumber is really Samuel Joe, the not licensed plumber. He is not licensed, so I guess that means he's not a plumber. Joe. Like my boy Martin Lawrence said,
Tell him something, Joe!
Tell him something, Joe. Wow. So Joe the Plumber, Samuel the Plumber, well, Samuel the unlicensed plumber, first name is Samuel, Middle name is Joseph, which, hey, no problem with that, but but the guy's not a plumber. Oh my, we have more breaking news? Are you kidding me? Wow. Yeah, we have more breaking news. Oh, Joe, say it ain't so, Joe. All right. Hey, okay. Cue the music. This just in. Joe, the unlicensed plumber, which is really AKA Samuel Joseph, is not only is he not licensed, but he told people he was an independent. Come to find out that Samuel Joseph is a registered Republican in the state of Ohio, and that Barack Obama didn't go to his house. He left and went to see Barack Obama. So here we go again. First name Samuel. He's not a licensed plumber, and he's a registered Republican. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, Samuel Joseph, the unlicensed plumber, who is a Republican. Oh my, wow. Now, I smell something, folks. Smoke and mirrors. Come on. John McCain acknowledged this guy with his first statement. One of his first arguments during the debate was Joe. Stop. 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 You gotta be kidding. We have more breaking news. Oh, we have more breaking news on old Samuel Joseph. This is unreal. Okay. Let's see what we have here now. Once again, shall I say, cue the music. So, let's recap. So, Samuel Joseph, the unlicensed plumber from Ohio who is a registered Republican, reports show that he makes less than $45,000 a year. So, he asked Barack Obama a question about buying his boss's business at $250,000, and this cat only makes $40,000 a year. Oh, Samuel Joseph. Wow, the unlicensed plumber. Maybe if he got licensed, maybe he would make more money. Oh, this is nonsense. This is a farce. Once again, this is right. Hey, look, this is right in line with Sarah Palin as the vice presidential pick, and and suspending his campaign to go back to Washington. Stop. This is funny. Oh, no, come on. Not more breaking news. Stop. We can't take any more breaking news. Stop, please, please, please. Oh my goodness, we have more breaking news on Samuel Joseph. Oh. And once again, let's all say it together. Cue the music. Just to recap, Samuel Joseph, the unlicensed plumber from Ohio, is a registered Republican. He makes less than $45,000 a year. So why the hell was he asking about $250K a year? Now we see why Samuel Joseph don't like taxes. He hasn't paid taxes. He has tax liens against his property. Oh my God. Samuel Joseph, the unlicensed plumber. Wow. Oh my God. This is hilarious. Keep it right here on the J. Rouse Show.